Good morning, this is Tom Power with RJO Futures on the floor of the CME Group in Chicago. Looking at the grain markets today, we continue to see a downward trend that we've had over the last 2 weeks. Corn closed out Friday right around 452. Soybeans settled Friday at 1183, which was actually up 2 cents from the previous week's close. And wheat, I think the biggest surprise of all, closed 633, which was down 32 cents on the week. This was all ahead of the USDA report that's set to be released later today. I expect the report to continue to be bearish, especially for soybeans and corn, slightly neutral to positive for wheat. I think that has the most potential for an upside breakout. Weather is going to continue to play a huge factor in these markets as cooler temperatures, increased rainfall throughout the month of August continue to favor the bears, and this is a critical month for yield potential. So I expect some more downward slide across the board in the grain market. Moving on to the technicals, wheat support comes in right around 628. We're seeing a lot of pressure right around 672 and then above that at 690. Soybeans, a lot of pressure at 1197, then above there at 1205. Wouldn't be surprised to see them take out last week's low on a slide down. Corn 468 along with selling pressure at 489. Again, another market I think is going to continue its downward slide for the time being as yields are expected to continue to be higher. Wheat I think has the biggest upside potential for a breakout as Argentina is expected to put restrictions on their crop export, and China continues to be a huge buyer in that market. Again, this is Tom Power with RJO Futures on the floor of the CME Group in Chicago. And remember, traders, futures and options trading involves substantial risk of loss and may not be suitable for all investors.